Here's a step-by-step guide on setting up the bestseller store blog. From the home page of the Mode Magic app, click on Apps from the left side of the screen. Then select Bestselling Products. Click on Templates and then select the template of your choice. Now go to Settings. Please note that Mode Magic automatically picks up the products to include in your bestseller store blog. These recommendations are based on the order history of your store. You can see this under Settings. Now click on Design. From here, you can make the required customizations to the store blog. From the top of the screen, you can click on each device and then make the required customizations as to how the store blog will be appearing across different devices. From the top of the screen, click on Show Bestsellers for Homepage. From here, you have to set up the display settings. That is, which all pages should the store blog appear on and what will be their position on this particular page. To know more about setting up the position and page, please refer to our help articles. Once all of this is set up, click on Add to Store on the bottom right corner of the screen. Thank you.